Hello guys, by the way, I'm Gomer B. Today I discuss to you about the difference between OSI and TCP IP. Before that, let's define about OSI. OSI is an open system interconnection model was introduced by OSO International Standard Organization. It's not a protocol but a model which is a basic concept of layering. It has a vertical set of layers each having different function its flow as a bottom approach to transfer data, it's robust or flexible, eligible. TCP transform standard of transmission protocol or internet protocol. Um, define define each how data understand. Each computer using Microsoft and one computer using Mac OS. No, then how to communicate or sharing data called computer network. OS OSI model is a LAN cable connection to computer network. How they works? These layers involve protocol one example application, presentation, session, transport, and network data link, and also a physical. This layer is have a protocol, then the application is example of application is Google Chrome and Mozilla Internet. So let's move about the application. Application layer is a network application. It means with this layer, the user can access the network by using interface and servers like electronic mail and share, database management, file access, and transfer other services. For example, this Google Chrome and Mozilla, and that email or Skype or etc. And they have a protocol HTTP, HTTPS and ETP, NFS and FMTP and etc. Let's move about presentation layer. Presentation layer um, transform focuses on syntax and systematic transmitting information. So before you translate this data, example, the translation and data expression. As you can see that binary number 001 and 111 it's called compressed to the data compression. Of then the data you send the original is so that they call transmitted data and then compressed it's very common to communicate before data compression like it. So let's move about session. Session layer is established the session between different machines in order to synchronize and maintain the interaction between them. These services provide the session layer or dialog control, taking management and synchron. Then the receiving data to the sender. Server function is called authentication. Define how your server use username and password. Then the user and password were emit to the server between the computer. After that, the authorization verify the information to enter. If not, they get a message incorrect. So let's move about transport layer. Transport layer means it accepts the data from the preceding layer from the independent packets and transmitted. They have three segmentation, flow control, and error control. The data received to the segment layer is divided into the three layers. To receive flow control, consider a mobile connected to each server and server transmitted amount of data. For example, you have 100 Mbps to your server, and then your maximize of your mobile is at 10 Mbps. So this is called a transport. So they maximize the amount of data that they transform for your mobile. This layer is concerned the transmit of the two main protocols that operate in this layer and transmit control protocol or TCP and the user datagram protocol or UDP. Let's move about network layer. Network layer is defined that contains packet construct that will be transmitted. This takes the form from the Internet Protocol IP, which described as a packet that contains a source of IP address, destination, the IP address, and the actual data of deliver. For example, you can see the other PC and this one PC. This is called a routing to communicate to each other. Routing and the user one log into the site. For example, this is a user one Facebook, and this one is also a Facebook to commit each other. So you can see the diagram flow. So let's move about the data link. Data link layers are responsible for link establish the intermission frame, traffic control, sequencing, acknowledgement, error, checking, media assessment, local addressing, physical addressing, and network layer, data link, and data packets. You can see the frame this. Also, physical layer because it's a responsible transmission and reception for wire level data. For example, this physical layer is where it's dedicated how bits are displayed across a specific network medium. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.